Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami maple leaves. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top. I'll be starting with the plus crease. Now keep the color side on the top and create the cross crease. Lift the paper and just push in the center and collapse the paper into preliminary base. Keeping the open side on the top, bring two sides to the center crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Fold this triangle down and create a crease. Open it and fold it back on the same crease line. This will help you to do the next step easily. Open the side flaps and lift one flap up and bring two sides to the center crease to create a petal folding. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. This is called as bird base. Now fold down this flap and lift these two flaps upside and make a crease. Open the flap and flatten it as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Maintain the same distance between these two petals. Now make sure that this triangle is pointing away from you before cutting this flap. Take a scissor and make a slit over here. Fold these flaps to the sides. By leaving the same gap between these two. Turn the model and fold down this triangle. Bring this tip till this point and make a crease. Fold here as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now to create the leaf stalk, fold these sides to the center crease. Fold the next flap, carefully as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Origami maple leaf is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.